my name is Keltie O'Connor and welcome to my channel. And today, I challenged myself to eat like Keltie O'Connor for a day. Taking you throughout several days, how I normally do, and decided to document it for YouTube. The only sane way to start off any day is coffee. I only have one coffee a day. Lies, I sometimes have more. Sometimes I have none. Also a lie. I have multiple coffees a day. We switched to decaf at some point. The trolls don't come at me. I'm not recommending, but it's what I do. Cooking with Keltie time. Go get bulked oats. You dump it in. Pink Himalayan salt because apparently it has more minerals and it looks fancy, 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 and you're fancy. A little salt sweet. Fill a Tupperware for the week with a bunch of flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, some pecans, and sliced almonds. And I just put a whole bunch in every week, and once this runs out, I'll go to bulk wear it again in about a week and fill it up with new healthy flavors. And then every morning I play an exciting game of Will It Blend? Because this is a really ghetto blender. Do a little shake like a blender bottle. That makes a better success rate of a blend. Moment of truth. It's thick. We got a metal straw because of the turtles. Warm thing to heat us up in the morning. And then also delicious thing of health. It's a smoothie and oatmeal. So fancy I can make it, guys. YouTube has ruined drinking because I just think of that annoying slurp effect that everyone uses. We need to stop. YouTube, I'm putting the call out there. Let's stop that edit, please. Now typically I'll eat breakfast at home like 4 to 6 times of the week and it's like super easy and basic. I love going out for brunch and brunch is a thing I do probably at least once a week.
We got a lobster tail. This is art. These are actually local. We got some smoked salmon, eggs Benny hollandaise. We got health, scramble, brunch buddy.
So the most important part about brunch is you get your main meal and then you always need a table sweet. Banana bread.
French toast.
And I know I'm allergic to bananas, but I can eat bananas cooked in things. I don't get it either.
It's not even gonna be runny. Oh, runny.
Ooh. And I'm gonna go work out and I'm gonna have a little snack. And so I usually like a protein bar. I like these RX bars, but it's gonna seem sponsored. It's not. I'm gonna show its competition as well. Same Nugo, I don't know. And this. We're gonna go with RX bar. You've seen it. If you're on fitness YouTube, it's everywhere. So we're gonna go with the Nugo. Ooh. I'll have this and then we're gonna go do fitness things. Keeping it honest with you guys, I don't eat lunch typically because I have like a later breakfast and I have a big supper and then I have like snacks throughout the day. Now, a lot of people would consider this lunch. I usually have an assortment of veggies and hummus. Here's the hack. Take Tabasco and we dab it in and then it gives your hummus a little kick. Cooking with Keltie, episode 4. Add hot sauce to pre-made hummus. Choo 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 choo. And then on the side, I just add salsa to a bowl. We just take chips. And this is, oh no, I spilled my water! Keltie, why don't you do full days of eating? Because this is what happens, guys. I don't pre-measure, I just have just a couple chips until the salsa's gone. And this is an appropriate chip to salsa ratio. Oh God, we lost one. But this is about how much salsa I have per chip. I was gonna get organic chips to show you guys, and sometimes I do. So about half the time I get the healthy, expensive ones, and half the time Tostitos are on sale, and I get that. And that's lunch slash, we call it big snack. That is a chip. Snack time! Hi MTV, welcome to my crib. This is so awkward because my neighbors probably heard that. I'll show you guys what's in my fridge because I'm pretty dang proud of my fridge. Come on. I've put a lot of work into this, guys. Take a peek at this. We all have goals in life. If you notice, I have no decorations in my apartment, but I love a well-stocked fridge. I'm kind of OCD about it because this was my goals growing up. I got a chronic fear of running out of carbonated beverages. The sparkling water. Fancy Perrier. Fancy Coke. We got the cheap beer. New seasonal cheap beer. We got vegan protein, and if we need it, we got more cheap beer. We got the diet pops. No trolls. Come at me every once in a while. Pop it. Your OCD is about to be ruined? Or is that satisfying seeing me take one? Is that unsatisfying or satisfying? Moral of the story. We got the fancy sparkling water. So this is when I'm trying to be like Gazem. I live in Toronto, fancy stuff. But then we also have the ghetto AF soda water for when we mix with the sauce. I do have food in here, but I like fresh fruit. We got spinach. We got healthy stuff. We got some tomatoes. We got some onions. Put in your fancy water. This is not the fancy water. Fancy. Cheese, because nachos. I eat a lot of Mexican food. My sauce collection. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Salsa. Salsa. Hot sauce. Backup salsa. Apple cider vinegar. I use this for salad dressings or hashtag this is a fitness channel. You don't get a channel until you put apple cider vinegar in your fridge. My life is a series of cheap beer and fancy tequila. This isn't that fancy tequila, but this is the tequila I'm not embarrassed about. It's good, and if my friends drink it when they come to visit in a few days, I'm not mad about it. And then we put it in the soda water. I don't have limes, so we squeeze a lemon in there, and you got a cocktail that's on the low calorie edge because, you know, fitness. Well, I do eat meat, but I'll get like one of these organic. It's more expensive, but it's worth it. It's local because either I'll have a little bit of this chopped up with some tofu. We're gonna show you the best part of my entire apartment. Come down here together. Every MTV Cribs also had that I wanted as a child. My own candy drawer. Sour Patch Kids. Swedish Fish. Swedish Fish. Jolly Rancher Sweets. Sour Patch. Oh, I was so Sour Patch. Sour Patch. Swedish Fish. Swedish Fish. Warheads. Real Fish. Blue Whales. No Name. I chew gum. This is a bad habit. You know what? It's not meth. Fear of not having fresh fat. Some mints and gumballs. So yes, I eat candy. I have a lot of nutrient-dense food. And then we eat candy. This is my skill in life. You can't stop me. I'll keep going. This is so easy. This is what I've meant to do. We making a bowl of Tex-Mex stuff, so this is when I make it on my own. I'm gonna toss this on there. Just this. Pour a lot done. Talent with one hand, guys. I give you entertainment. And we're just gonna toss this all on. Very typical meal line. It's got a lot of everything, and I'm very happy and excited to jump in on this. I'm on my way to get supper. So usually supper for me is kind of like two things. It's either Mexican, so like tacos, burrito bowl, like Tex-Mex thing, or it's a sandwich and salad. I love sushi. I love pasta, all those. But I'm gonna be honest, most days when I'm just eating alone or making myself, that's my go-to. Either I make that at home, or today I'll go to Chipotle, whatever. One of my favorites is Impact Kitchen.
It's an unfortunate thing to forget somewhere.
Oh, there you go, honey. You're welcome. We got some rice, some beans. These are like walnut crumble. Salmon. Anytime I go out, I try to get salmon because I suck at cooking it, but it's healthy fats. This is what we are having. The hotter the better. Would you guys want to see me do a hot one challenge? I've tried the hottest hot sauce on earth and survived. Just saying. I'm 100% honest with you guys. I drink. I don't drink every day. I'm not a wine at the end of the night kind of person. I'm not a bar star. I've had those days in my life. I'd say about once a week, I go out with the intention of being past the point of intoxication. This weekend, a Cactus Club is having their opening patio party. Loud Luxury's playing. I got invited to it. Guys, like cool people are gonna be there. I got invited. Why is everyone else drinking fancy drinks and you're asking for cheap beer? Well, I'm gonna go to that.
Me, I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom on top.
So ice cream is like my favorite food. I'm not about the low calorie. I'm also trying to try more vegan options one, and this is the best one I've ever found. This Natto Moo, it's birthday cake cookie dough, and then cookie dough. Because my two favorite flavor ice creams, birthday cake, cookie dough. So usually throughout the week I have it, and then like at night I might just have a little bite or two. Just throughout the week, that's usually my I'll just have them there, have a little nibble, put it back. But when I'm hungover, then Sundays, being 100% honest, I crave ice cream. Usually Sundays, I go out for brunch or food with friends, or I get pizza, and then I'll have a tub of ice cream. And that's kind of my Sunday thing. Ideally, it's warm out, I go out to get ice cream with friends. When you live alone, sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. And the more cookie dough chunks and sprinkles, the better your life is. Ooh, ice cream ASMR. And there is my full day of eating, I guess days of eating, because I wanted to show kind of like a weekday versus weekend, because it kind of changes. You don't have to eat like me. It might not work. You might be vegan. You might be low carb. You might be high fat. You might be low fat. I don't know. If your diet allows you to be happy, healthy, and enjoy life, that's all that matters. Thank you for tuning in. Like always, if you guys are new here, feel free to hit subscribe. Those like, I appreciate it. It helps the channel. But if you didn't like the video, just leave a nasty comment. Thank you for tuning in. Like always, if you're having a bad day, it's okay, because you just need to go pet a dog and your day will be better. Bye.